Dongguan OK Packaging Manufacturing Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of flat-bottom pouch, spout pouch, stand-up pouch, bag-in-box, craft paper pouch, pet food pouch, rolling film. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, the company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including PE blowing film machines, automatic injection molding machines, 10 colors rotogravure printing machines, high-speed solventless laminators, 400 meters per minute, dry lamination machines, bronzing machine, over 20 pieces of bags making machines, and automatic welding nozzle machines, daily output 3 million piece bags. Each manufacturing process has QC sampling inspection and full inspection for finished product. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001, BRC SEDEX, and QS standards food fared certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as United States, Europe, South America, South Africa, Mideast, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, Singapore, and so on. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.